Did you use AI to write your content? And now every AI detector you try keeps on flagging it. Whether you are a student, blogger, freelancer, or anyone creating content online, getting flagged can hurt your credibility and ranking on Google. Well, what if I tell you that you can make your AI generated content completely undetectable by AI detectors? Hi, I'm Jeet from GravityWrite, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So without any further ado, let's get started. When you use any AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to create content, it writes content in a pattern which is easily detected by AI detectors. The tool that we are going to use today is created to solve this exact problem. It is called Text Humanizer from GravityWrite. It is created to remove those subtle patterns that AI generated content has and rewrite it to sound more human written. Today, we are going to test this tool. For this, first, let's generate our AI content. We are going to ask ChatGPT to create a short blog post on 5 tips for healthy lifestyle in 300 words. As you can see, the content looks good. It's well written and structured properly. Now, we are going to quickly see whether it bypasses AI detection or not. For this, we are going to use a popular AI detector called Originality.ai. Let's copy and paste our AI generated content here and click on scan. As expected, it shows 100% AI generated. Now, let's fix this. Just go to GravityWrite.com. In the sidebar, click on Text Humanizer. Here, let's paste the same content that we generated earlier. Select the mode as Advanced Bypass and click on Humanize. In just a few seconds, the entire content is rewritten for us. You will notice that the sentences now feel more natural and humanized. Now, let's keep this humanized content to test again, but this time we will check it across 3 popular AI detectors. Let's copy. Let's go to Originality.ai again. Paste our rewritten content here. Click on scan. You can see it shows that the content is likely original. Amazing, right? Now let's check it in ZeroGPT as well. Again, paste the content and click on detect text. You can see here also it performs well. It shows that the content is more likely to be human. And finally, let's test it in the third AI detector called Copyleaks. Paste the content. Click on scan. Here too, we get 0% AI content found. This clearly shows the difference. The content wasn't just rewritten for the sake of it. It was written to sound more human. And this is exactly why it performed well across all detectors. So this is how you can take AI generated content and turn it into natural and undetectable. Go ahead and use Text Humanizer from GravityWrite to refine your content in minutes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to GravityWrite for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.